Hey, welcome to the Foodie's Paradise. We are once again here with a lip-smacking recipe for all you foodies out there. In today's video, we will share an absolutely delicious chicken stew recipe, which I promise will be really easy to make. So without any further ado, let's get started. To start with, heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a deep pan or kadhai. Once the oil is hot, add a teaspoon of mustard seeds to crackle. Once the mustard seeds have crackled, add about 6 finely chopped garlic cloves along with a tablespoon of grated or finely chopped ginger. Stir them well so that they get roasted well. Now to this, add 7 to 8 green chilies. Don't chop them, just slit them lengthwise. Okay, now before the garlic starts to burn, add 5 to 6 onions roughly diced into cubes. Add a little bit of salt. This is just to help the onions sweat well. Once the onions become translucent, add 4 to 5 potatoes that are diced into cubes. Let the potatoes cook like this for about a couple of minutes and then add 1 kg of chicken curry cut pieces. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 3 tablespoons of coriander powder. Add a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. And finally, add a tablespoon of Garam Masala powder. Give them a good mix and let them cook on a low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Now to this, add 1 liter of water. Add salt as required. Once everything is mixed well, place a lid and let it cook on a low flame for about 25 to 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes and our stew has been cooking on a very low flame. The chicken and the potatoes are well cooked. Crush a few pieces of the potatoes by pressing them against the pan with the back of the ladle. This will help in thickening the stew a little bit. Now is the time to add coconut milk into this. I'm adding about 300 ml of coconut milk. Just in case you do not have coconut milk, you can also add regular dairy milk as a substitute. But trust me, with coconut milk, this will taste heavenly. Alright, so we're done here. All you need to do now is let it again cook on a low flame for another 10 minutes and you're ready to serve. Please try this recipe and let me know how you find it. It tastes amazing with breads. And a few days back I had uploaded a recipe for palapam. If you haven't watched it, please watch it. Palapam and chicken stew is a classic combination from Kerala. If you haven't tried them, you're missing out on a great deal in life. Trust me. Please try them and let me know. Alright, so that's it for today. If you like the recipe, please like the video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Take care. God bless.